SAGG here today, and welcome back. Today guys, I am back here playing Minecraft in the world called Redstone, and of course in the side of Minecraft. Today guys, I'm gonna show you an elevator video, which is super duper cool, but sorry, but this elevator can just go up just for one floor. The first thing is we gotta go and get inside, and then just push that button, and then boom. And then I actually guys had to no, just layer about it, two kind of elevator thing that is super duper cool. And this one is going down there, and as you can see, it just go down. Okay, go down. Sorry if you can hear it. Blah 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 la la la. Today guys, it was super duper hard to build, so maybe the next time I guys see video, maybe we can build it something like that. But the first thing is actually going down at the center of no. This is the thing. Wait, what? Over here, yeah. Over here. No, not like that. How does that thing work? I don't know that. And yeah, of course I knew. There, first going down a bit. This is on how it just works, and here this thing goes. This gonna be a hard explanation. First is gonna just try to go down here. And there you can see it all clearly going down there, which is the button. Just go, and that is actually the repeater that is connecting in here. That's the repeater going in here, and then you gotta push that thing up and then down and then into here. Sorry guys if I just something like that actually, but I just show you that this is my latest invention, the ultimate. Where is that? The ultimate la 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 la. Yeah. Something like just an elevator. Sorry if I really just something like messed up, because it's just a prank. It's just a prank. Something like this letter. This gonna be hard. B blah 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 blah. B R this stuff. It was always naughty. Something like a PRANK, which is a prank call. Not a prank call, I mean just something like a prank video, because PR blah blah blah. I know guys, you won't like my video, and it depends on you. So bye.